Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a TEMU account. So in order to sign up for TEMU, go ahead and open up your TEMU application from your app drawer, or you can also log into TEMU on a web browser. Once you're in the main home page, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the sign in/register button at the top. To sign up for TEMU, you can go ahead and enter your email or your phone number in the text box that appears on this page. You can also continue signing up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, or with Apple. In today's video, I'm going to enter an email address. Once you enter the email, it'll ask you to create a password. Create minimum 6 characters password and type it down in the password box. Tap on I agree in order to receive special events, exclusive discounts, and more via email. If you don't want to receive them, leave the circle unchecked and tap on register. You can now add a mobile phone number on the next page. Select your country from the drop-down and enter your mobile number. You can also skip this step for now by tapping on Not Now. And soon after you complete with the process, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for TEMU. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.